cut off her 2 legs? Why did you show her that you are her husband? Amechi, have you suddenly become so soft that you cannot take vengeance again? Eh?
Nay, my head is full now. I just want to go home and rest.
Hey, Chelu, if you want me to send you to her mother's place to flog her, they will do it. I can assure you of that. Give me the permission to do that.
Then let me go home. Let me rest.
Adima, I will come to your house. In fact, I will deal with her. Hi! Adora! Okay, don't worry. I will see her. I will deal with her. I will show her that I am... In fact, nobody deals with our kindred like that and gets away scot-free. No matter rain or no rain. I will tell you. Listen, Adora, I will show you that in my family, you cannot try us.
What have I done wrong? Where have I offended you? God. I need to wake up from this dream. I need to wake up. I need to wake up. I need to wake up.
Mama, I just want to die. I want to die so I could end all this.
Is that the solution? Adora, do you fight with your husband? Eh? Adora, you have refused to tell me what the problem is. What happened between you and your husband? I don't know if you hide anything, this very thing, from everyone else. Does that include me, your own mother? Your flesh and blood? Adora, look at me. Tell me what the problem, so that I'll know how to handle it. Oh, you know your problem is my problem as well. Mom,
leave me alone. Leave me, let me mourn my stupidity. Leave me. I want to die, Mama. I want to die. I want to die. Ew.
My in-law, thank God I met you. Can I come inside?
What is it?
Can I come inside? Let me talk to you about your wife.
I don't have a wife.
Adora, tell us what happened. Then we will know how to go about it. Did you have any problem with your husband? Did he beat you? Is he planning to get another wife? Or did you catch him with another woman?
This is what I've been seeing since she came back.
I saw her husband yesterday with his uncle. I thought you should go and see him.
I've gone to see him already.
You did?
Yes. And he walked out on me without saying anything.
He did that too?
Yes.
No problem. I will see him.
Hi! Hey!
Ewo! Ewo! Oya to bueno mo. Adore poche nike o. Amadi, do you know she never mentioned anything like that to us?
She will never do. She can never mention it to you people. Listen, we are very busy people here. We have a lot of things to talk about than talk about an unfaithful woman. We don't have a time. Nico.
Amadi, say, if you want me to kneel down here, I am ready to kneel down.
I don't need it.
Please, if there is anything we are to do, or any ritual we are to perform to appease the gods, I am ready. So that we will settle this matter once and for all.
We don't need it. And I don't need it. Now listen to me. Very soon, we will come to you people and you will give us back the dowry we paid on her head. It is finished. We don't want that kind of woman in our compound. Listen, warn her. We don't want her to step her foot in our compound or near my kindred again. Never. It is finished. She is a persona non grata. Good day.
Amadi.
Good day.
See.
I am drenched in shame.
How do you mean?
My in-law. My in-law.
Good morning, sir.
Nene, what is it?
My in-law, my daughter came back yesterday with her luggage. And since that yesterday, she's been crying. I asked her what the problem is, but she refused to tell me.
She will not tell you. She will never tell you. A dog like her can never talk about her foolery. It's not possible.
Maila, I don't understand. My in-law, you just called my daughter a dog.
If she was not one, I wouldn't call her that. Nene, go and put your dog on the leash. Uludo! Kodo! Nkitaginunu. Get out of here. Suzupu. Azem, get out.
My daughter. Wait. Hey! This is not what I'm thinking. Hey! Hey! You have to bomb. I don't want to kill. They have killed me. I don't want to bomb. Hey! Hey! Chibo! My daughter is dog. Chibo! Fomo.
Mama, when did she come back? And what led to this her action?
Mama, she came back yesterday. But even up to this moment I'm talking to you, she has not told me what the problem is.
But has the husband come to look for her?
No, but I want to go to the city to see him. At least to find out from him what happened. But I cannot leave her like this. She might die before I come back.
Whatever led to this, her action must be very, very serious. Mama, let me go home and cook first. I'll come back to see you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you for your help. Chimo. I don't want to tell me the truth. What did you do to your husband? What happened? I went to Amadi's house to ask him what happened. And he called you a dog. Is it what I'm thinking?
Mama, I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Adora, you said you are sorry. Is that all you could say to me? That you are sorry? While I am referred as the mother of a dog. What did I do to you? Adora, you failed me. Adora, you disappointed me in every way. What did I ever do to you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord, for I have sinned. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me. Forgive me, oh Lord. Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive. Forgive. Forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me, Father. Forgive. Forgive me,
Ada, where are you going to? Ada. Hey.
I don't know. I just want to get lost.
Ada, please. Stop doing this to yourself. Please. Oh? Alright, come. Let me take you home.
If I had known it would end up like this. If I had known.
You haven't told me what happened.
Oh.
Did he catch you with another man?
I messed up. I thought he had gone to Abuja.
So,
Baby, you look good. It's okay. You look good already.
I know. Okay, I want you to take care of yourself and make sure you dress quickly so Dave will come take you, go see your mom and bring you back to the city before noon.
I will.
Okay?
I'll be ready before he comes back, okay?
It's okay.
Baby, please, do not stay long this time in Abuja. I don't want to miss you as I did the last time.
Once I'm done with the seminar, I'll fly back to Lagos.
Okay, please do.
Okay.
I'm missing you already.
I'll miss you too.
Well, let's go before you miss the flight.
Okay.
Alright, baby. Please hurry and come and devour me, okay? Yes, I can't wait for you to come back and give it to me. Be fast. The door will be open, okay? I'll be waiting. Alright. Oh, jeez. Let me hurry. and I fell into the arms of Nemesis, and it crushed me. Then the way when the nights are long, when the sun rises daily on the mountain top. Dave, is that you? Dave! Now you want to start your usual drama. Have you dropped him already? I knew you would drop him fast so you can come and devour me. I just wish he dies in the air crash. Or don't you think so too? Well, I told him I was going to my mother's place before coming to the city. So you see, we have enough time for ourselves. We have the whole house for ourselves. I will lock you in here and devour you and work on you till you cry for help. Dave, what are you breaking? Dave?
Oh my God, this is trouble.
I know I've erred. I love my husband. I just need him to forgive me.
I advise you talk to one of his brothers or uncles so they can help you plead for forgiveness. Yes.
I'll try. I'll try.
What are you doing in this compound? What are you doing in this compound?
I need you to help me talk to my husband and other members of this family. Talk to my husband to forgive me, please.
Do you want Annie to strike us dead? Eh? Get out of this house.
No, I love my kids. I love my husband. Please, I need him back. I need them back.
Adora, please, I don't want Annie to strike us dead. I beg you, leave our compound. Don't let Annie strike us dead. Please don't. Get out of this house. Now. I said get out!
I am still your daughter. Yes, I know I have failed you. But please, I need you to forgive me. I'm asking for your forgiveness.
Adora, go and ask God for forgiveness. Then you go to your husband and ask for his forgiveness as well. That is what you should do.
To ask for your forgiveness before I die. Honey? But I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. Honey? You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. Honey, I will not leave here until you forgive me. Please forgive me.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Prostitute, Ajadu, dog. What are you doing in this secret gang? With this your unclean body, will you get out of here before the count of 3? 1. Hey! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! Dog! Hey! Hi! Ajadu, prostitute. I know what to do to you. You treated me bad, but I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. Major, don't tell me you are sad because of that prostitute. Listen to me. Get yourself together. Go back to the city and face your job.
I need to rest. I just need to put my head together.
Very well. When are we going to return her dowry?
I don't know.
Anyway, do you have some drinks in the house? Adima, let me go. I will get one. We will clear our heads together. Forget about it. You treated me bad, but I still love you.
Honey. I know I am not worthy to be called your wife. But please, find it in your heart to forgive me, please.
Go home and forgive yourself.
Honey, please, honey, you can't do it. Honey, please. Honey, please.
Nene, I have come to pick a date. Give us a date. We want to sever ties between my own nephew, Mechi, and your daughter, Adora. All the marriage rights, in fact, we want to finish everything. We are no more interested. Give us a date.
Come inside, let's talk about it. Oh?
No, Mbao, I'm not coming anywhere.
Uncle, go date.
Who is your uncle? Give us a date. Okay, I'm coming tomorrow.
Uncle, please now. Mama, please, Mama, talk to him now. I don't. Uncle.
Hey, Chiwo.
No. It's a dream. I hope this will not come to pass. I hope this will not come to pass. It's a dream. My dream always come to pass.
And I do not think he will do a thing like that. He will put your kids into consideration.
If this ever happens, then I will live with the guilt all my life.
Ada, she had this dream because you are scared of losing your husband. This is just a dream.
I have disgraced my mother. I am not worthy to be called a mother.
No, you are wrong. I will advise you to stop lamenting and put these things in prayer. Pray.
Prayers. Will God ever answer my prayers? Really?
Yes, He will. He is a merciful God. He listens to prayers.
It's okay. Where is he? You there?
Don't tell me things have gone worse.
Taz, I'm still finding it hard to believe that I got myself into this.
So after talking to Meche, he still did what he wanted.
You spoke to him already.
Never mind, come to the car. Come.
Are you sure that's the right thing? I don't want his trouble.
Don't worry, just come to the car. Come. Why did you bring this prostitute back to my house?
Do not use such words on your wife. She's not a prostitute. Why would you let anger ruin your family?
It's our infidelity that brought us to this point.
Major, I'm disappointed in you. After talking to you, you still send her packing.
Where's it? If you want us to talk, she should wait at the gate.
She will not stay at the gate!
Where is it? Don't worry, I'll be outside.
Amishi, you should be ashamed of yourself. Look at what you've turned the beautiful wife into. You've turned her brain upside down because of a single mistake.
Infidelity is not a mistake. It's a sin.
Amishi, I want you to forgive your wife. Can't you see she's sorry? Look at what's left of her.
I am done talking about this.
You walk out on me. Amishi walked out on me.
Lord, wash me with hip soap, and I will be whiter than snow. What have I got in myself?
Adara.
Wash me.
Adara, it's okay, let's go. Adara, it's okay. It's okay.
You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
Annie, I was just about coming to your house.
What is it?
My husband, my husband. One of his relatives just told me that he's about getting married to another wife. I don't want that to happen.
And you believed him?
Yes. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't want to take chances, okay? Now, this is what I want you to do for me. Go to his house. Tell him to forgive me. Tell him I love him. Tell him I'm sorry. Please.
Ada, my friend, do you think your husband can just wake up from a sleep and decide to marry another woman just like that?
You never can tell. You never can tell. I don't want to know. Just do as I said. Go to his house. Tell him to forgive me. Tell him I love him. Tell him I'm sorry.
You talk as if I've seen your husband before. I don't even know his house. I don't know the kind of person he is.
Don't worry. His house is at Umweze, the one along the city.
Yes,
Road,
yes, I know. I heard it's from there, but I don't have enough money with me.
That's not a problem. I'll give you money, okay? I will. Start going now.
Oh, okay, no problem. Just calm down. Let me quickly rush to the farm. Then we will see.
You want to still go to the farm again?
Yes.
Just don't do this to me now. I'm about to lose my husband. There's fire on the mountain. Please.
Ada, please calm down. Go home. When I'm done with the farm, I will see you. Oh? Okay, no problem. Go home. Let me go to the farm first. Oh? Your husband cannot get married to another woman. Don't think too much about that. Oh? Ada, go. I will come to your house.
I'll be waiting. Please, I'll be waiting.
Adora, you have given me the shock of my life.
Don't worry.
Yeah, so?
Dave, have you greeted me today?
Sorry, Mom. You escaped my mind. Good morning, Mom.
Sorry for yourself.
Baby.
Rubbish.
Baby.
Yes, darling.
Please try and get prepared, okay? As soon as they drop me off at the airport, come and pick you.
Okay, I will do that immediately I take my bath.
It's okay. Please prepare nsala soup for me. I will fly in before 12 tomorrow.
Alright, darling, I will.
Nsala soup is what I like.
I will do that.
And don't forget to give the remaining food stuff to my brother Madi.
Oh, that I've already called them to come and pick it up.
It's okay.
Oh, baby, I'm gonna miss you so much. Yeah.
I miss you too.
Please don't stay too long, okay?
It's okay. I'll see you.
Alright, darling.
Take care.
Bye. Miss you.
And the way when the night alone, when the sun rises daily on the mountain top. Dave, is that you? Dave!
Now you want to start your usual drama. Have you dropped him already?
I knew you would drop him fast so you can come and devour me. I just wish he dies in the air crash. Or don't you think so too? Well, I told him I was going to my mother's place before coming to the city. So you see, we have enough time for ourselves. We have the whole house for ourselves. I will lock you in here and devour you and work on you till you cry for help. Dave, what are you breaking?
Look, if you want to call me, come and do it fast and have a quickie.
Dave?
So this is real.
Sir, are we not going to the airport again? It's almost 10 o'clock.
Can you remember how you became my driver?
Yes, sir. I lost my job at the club and you hurt me.
Do you think it's good to pay back good thing with evil?
No, sir.
But you've done that.
I don't understand, sir.
How many times have you slept with my wife?
What?
If you lie to me, I am going to kill you. And no one will know where I bury you. How many times have you slept with my wife?
Here in the village,
How many times have you slept with my wife?
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again, sir. Forgive me, sir.
Get out of my sight.
I'm sorry, sir. Forgive me, sir.
Out!
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
I just have to let you know. I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say. Just go away. It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still love you.
Please, forgive me. Go ahead, beat me, punish me, do me whatever you like. But please, forgive me. I beg you, please.
I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard.
So you want me dead?
No. Forgive me. I'm guilty. Please forgive me. I beg you.
To forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad and you treated me bad, but I still
It's okay.
love you.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I will never forgive you. Never! Do not touch me. How long has it been happening?
Just 3 times. And it will never happen again, I promise. Never. Please just forgive me. Please.
Pack your things and be fast about that. Meet me outside.
I just have to let you know. I just can't believe you can hurt me so. I've heard all you say. Just go away.
What is going on? Meche, what's up? Okay, so will you please talk to me?
I am taking her back to her mother's house.
Why?
She should talk to you herself.
Ada, what's the problem? Ada, take that luggage inside.
She's not taking any luggage inside.
Ada, take that luggage inside.
You don't understand what is just done.
Get me something cold to drink.
There is nothing to drink.
Meche, is it this serious? What did she do?
It's hard to forgive you now. I'm trying to forgive you, but it's so hard to do. You made me sad.
Agaba. Yeah, all is set now. And you have keg of palm wine, all the drinks, everything. I have everything arranged.
Oh, good day, sir. Amici, please, I want to talk to you alone. Very good.
Young man, don't you realize that we are in a meeting? A family meeting at that too. A very important one at that.
You are here to devise how to divorce his wife. So how is that meeting important?
Do you know what you did? Do you?
Amici, can you hear that? Can you hear your uncle? This is how he will go about telling people about your wife.
Do you realize who you are talking to?
I can see it very clearly. I am talking to an elderly man who cannot behave himself. Behave like one.
Now I know you have come here to insult me. But I will not allow it. Amechi, don't worry. I am in charge. Forget about this small ass. Who does this? He's not a member of our family. He knows not. Don't worry.
This man is not helping you. Amici, can you remember when you nearly married? When you just got married? How things were with you? Can you remember how Adora sold oranges? Did menial jobs just to feed you? Amici, can you remember the past?
How do I get to your husband's house? When you get to Umoise, you see a Catholic church by the roadside. His house is along the Catholic church. Okay?
It's okay. I'll go there today. Expect good news from me.
I will be waiting. I can't wait.
Come here.
Oh, thank you.
It's okay.
You're such a good friend.
And you too.
Let me start going.
Okay. Alright.
How did you find her?
Can I come in?
Wait, I will say it again.
Are you alright? Are you mad? I'm here thinking of what to tell my husband and you're asking me that silly question.
You sound as if you owe him your life. Do you?